Guys, so we're at Mission Beach, about to look at some little stores they have here. I'm just walking around enjoying the nice weather. It's kind of cloudy though, but
Yeah, it's good. The sun's not out, but
that's true.
It's kind of chilly.
Right. And I kind of want some sun out here, but it's all right.
Cool outfit, Michaela.
Yep, no bees, no bugs buzzing us around. Nothing. Guys, so we're at the zoo and it looks pretty cool. We just got in here, so we don't know what's going on. I think it's sort of like a theme happening because I see a lot of men in booty shorts and stuff. It's true though, but yeah, about to go to the tiger place to look at some tigers. We just looked at some monkeys and yeah, went all the way up there because the tiger was up there. Whew. No, he went down. That was a big hill, y'all.
Why do that crabs up in the zoo?
You can't hardly see it.
They only got one.
It says coconut. It blends in properly.
You are amazing. You rock. Woo! I love you. No good on this. Chaka, chaka.